We've seen anti-immigration marches across South Africa, even here in downtown Johannesburg. What do you make of them?
It's clownish, stupid. There is no xenophobia in South Africa. It's just a group of charlatans, extortionists, disruptors, corrupt individuals who want to extort the foreign nationals.
But is that not xenophobia targeting African foreign nationals?
That's why it's not xenophobia. It's gangsterism. It's sponsored by government. The government is fully involved to distract our people from major issues. How can an ordinary person manhandle a man in front of the police? Because it's a crime on its own. Let's go and check the cases of rape. Who raped South African women? South African men. Who beats up South African children? South African men. Majority of the prisoners there is not Zimbabwe, it's not Ghana, it's not Nigeria. It's not DRC. It's South African men. So when you say they are committing crime, why are they not in jail? Because they are not committing any crime. But they become an easy target.
And you've said about South Africa, we are still a traumatized nation and that trauma is real. What does a free, healed South Africa look like to you?
Well, it will take a generation. It will know. We can go to therapists and all of that. What they can do is to give us money. Those who colonized us and sponsored apartheid.
Yes, sanibonani. Namhlanje kade ngiyothenga lapha eMapakistan ugwayi. Khona iPakistan sesijwayelene nalo. That kimi, my friend, ungatsheli bantu because nami sengiphushwa le stock ngihambe. Ngingabe ngisathenga iproduct eyenziwa yilabantu bangakithi. Uthi mina nginamaphepha ngiphelele ngayo yonke into. Kodwa ngemeeting nebesinayo izinto seyipoison kakhulu even ugwayi. Wathi lo ngimika wona makuphela lona nami ngingisawustoka. Angifuni ukuba nesono sokubulala abantu abangenacala. Antu kubuya kubantu laba base-Ethiopia ama-Somalia ngingakuthengi. Kahle hle nje kube kuya ngaye ngabe nje iy'tolo zabafa bebuna baplane into enkulu kakhulu.
So ngabuza umbuzo ngathi mina njengoba ni busy nidayisa ngeSouth Africa kuma foreigners nama illegal foreigners in the name of nithi nina i-march and march i-exciter i-violence against ama fellow black people. Ngibuza mina ke ukuthi ngokwama stats bangakanani abantu abamnyama abalele ezibhedlela abalaliswe i-march and march lama foreigners enithi ahlukunyezwa i-march and march mangakanani asemoshwali afile ekuthiwa abulawe i-march and march so far seloku nje i-march and march yaqala mangakanani ama foreigners alele ezibhedlela mangakanani alele emoshwali ekuthiwa alimele alinyazwe ukuhlukunyezwa nokushawa nokubulawa la eSouth Africa eshawa i-march and march. Zike zame emthumeni ke kuma chaotic party lawo kwi chaotic party le ezesidakwa ezikamafinyila zihlulekile ukuphendula lo mbuzo loyo. Ukhona kodwa obe brave enough wakwazi ukuphendula umbuzo honestly washo nje ukuthi cha so far lento sisuke sisuke sisusela nje engqondweni. Akhona yedwa umuntu oseke wavela kwathiwa usesibhedlela ulwela impilo yakhe ngenxa ye-march and march. akhona oyedwa umuntu ekuthiwa usedutshuliwe ngenxa ye-march and march. Ngase ngibuza omunye ke umbuzo wesibili ngathi ake nisilethele nje ama-clip noma nje amabili kuphela ey'tolo zama-foreigners eseyishiswe nje i-march and march. Ningalethe ey'ningi ngoba kuzoba inkinga, ngeke nikwazi ukuyithola ey'ningi. Ngathi nje lethane ey'mbili iy'tolo ngoba phela ngithi i-march and march nithi nina it's a KZN thing. Okusho ukuthi ke asiqale eKZN ke ngoba phela umonakalo kumele uqale eKZN ngoba nithi march and march is a KZ thing, into yamaZulu. Ake siqale sibheke eKZN nisikhombise nje ama-clip, ama-video noma awu-2 la kusha khona noma kushiswa khona iy'tolo zama-foreigners since nje i-march and march iqalile ngo-2026. Ziphinde zama futhi emthumeni kuyinhlangano yesidakwa, inhlangano ye-criminal, inhlangano ye-chaos, bahluleka ukuphendula lo mbuzo. Now this brings us to this point ukuthi kahle kahle EFF imeleni ilwelani EFF, yindaba EFF ibe against ama-South African kanti all along thina besazi ukuthi EFF is a South African political party. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF is for South African land, is for South African soil. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF ilwela bring back the land without compensation. Which land? The South African land that was grabbed by the colonizers. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF iyona elwela ama-cleaner nama-security njengoba ubona nje ukuthi igqoka kanjani eParliament. Besazi ukuthi i-EFF iyona emele ama-South African since kuyi-South African political party. Besingazi thina ukuthi i-EFF all along ibe-pretender, i-EFF all along was here to cause chaos. Zonke izinto i-EFF ebesithi zenza genuine for abantu abamnyama in particular base-South Africa, besingazi ukuthi they are not genuine, but i-EFF ipusha i-agenda which is a European agenda. We didn't know all this. We didn't know all this. Now the question is, my EFF members, my chaotic members, to call this a president, to call this your leader, this one, go and listen to his recent speeches. Ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani mayekhuluma ngani. Ma EFF members, the South African EFF members, nina ma South African EFF members, hambani niyolalela iy'pitchi zakhe za 2026 ukuthi uMalema uthini ngani. Siyekenike thina ngoba siyona EFF, ake nimlalela ukuthi uthini ngani ma South African EFF members. Lo baba lo bese niyangibuza, bese niyangitshela ukuthi you call this your leader, guys. Are you well? Are you well here? Are you well? Calling your enemy your leader. You say this is your enemy, but you call him your leader. You call him CIC. You call him our next president. This one is your next president. Lo khuluma kanje. The flip-flopper of notes. The betrayer, the sellout. An MI6 member. The drug cartel. The convicted criminal. Is this your leader? Are you calling that your leader? I'm questioning your medulla, guys. I'm questioning the capacity of your medulla. I am questioning the functioning of your medulla, guys. Ha! Calling this. My leader. Can you imagine? Yo! As an my so-called EFF members. As an any loyiwe nina niloyiwe futhi owanloyayo sewafa ngeke nisalungiseka. Calling this drunkard criminal drug cartel, this drug abuser, calling him your leader. Yo! This literate, you call him your leader. Hayi bafana hayi kulungile kanza kwethu hayi.
Izingane zesikole ezingu-100 zasejozini zilwela impilo yazo ezibhedlela kulandela ukudla ama-aphula eziwathenge ko-My Friend. Khona manjalo nezingane zaseKhanyanjalo Secondary School nazo futhi zilwela impilo zazo esibhedlela kulandela ukudla ama-chips ebeziwathenge kwabokufika.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele sinamukele ey'ndabeni ze-SA News with TK Zuma. Sanibonani. Kuxwayiswa abantu bakuleli ukuthi abayeke ukuthenga ezitolo zabokufika ngenxa yobungozi osebuxhaphakile. Abantu bakuleli baqinisa ikhanda uma betshelwa ukuthi sekuyingozi kangakanani ukuthenga ezitolo zabokufika ngoba inhloso yabo ukuhamba bedestroyile. Lokhu kulandela amavidiyo amaningi asesabalele ezingane zesikole ezilwela impilo zazo esibhedlela kumanje njengoba kumhla ka2 kuJune 2026. Ingane eziwu100 zasejozini kumanje zigcwele esibhedlela emva kokudla ama-aphula ebeziwathenge kwabokufika. Kusenjalo nezingane zaseKhanyanjalo Secondary School nazo futhi zigcwele izibhedlela zizama ukulwela impilo zazo kulandela ukudla ama-chips ebeziwathenge ko-My Friend. Kuxwayiswa umphakathi wakuleli ukuthi awuyeke ukuthenga abantu angazi abantu bezwa kanjani Nkosi yami. Ngeke ufike ulwe nabantu uphinde uyothenga kubona. Uyazi ngisho babadlalisa ngisho besemawindini bezothenga. Hey nihamba nini sibani? My Friend niyahamba ngithi nihamba nini? Labantu uphinde uthenge futhi wena uphinde udle futhi ufake emlonyeni. Kodwa lokuba hayi niyahamba vele fanele nihambe uphinde futhi uthenge uphinde udle. Angazi abantu bezwa kanjani thina asinayo imali phela thina sithe asinayo hayibo ingane ziyafa ungayibona ingane ezigcwele lapha elokhosana ejozini 100 weingane 100 weingane nanto daba
ukuthi nazi izingane ezaseKhanyanjalo zidle umkopo ziyagula kumanje iclass lonke ngathi ngihambi nangapha iklasi nje lonke liyagula ingane zidla umkopo abahambe labantu ngoba phela bazosibulala vele hawu ingane ingaka ngempela ngisasibhedlela kuyimanje bafowethu ake sihambeni siyomcela umnikazi wesitolo ezezobona lo monakalo la asihambeni nje siyomcela angithi manje ufake idrip lo othengile nguwo umama womntwana loyo
Mama ngane uhlala naye.
Hayi
ngithengwe nguye la. Angisambeni
uphi yena umama?
Umama wengane.
Akekho.
Nguye untombazane wathengile.
Uhlala
nathi. Nguye untombazane lo abawathengile.
Angeke sikwazi vele ukuhamba naye ngoba egula.
Sizofana cela yena.
Kodwa bakithi kwenzakalani Nkosi?
Mina ngibona lokho bafowethu buka ingane iyakhala bukani ingane iyakhala ziyakhala ingane ziyagula zidla umkopo hayi kahleni bafowethu akasambeni
Mbukeli asiphinde sigcizelele futhi kubantu baseningizimu Afrika sihlaba ikhwela ukuthi abantu abayeke ukuthenga ezitolo zabokufika ngoba sekuyingozi ongakazi uyibone. Labantu kuningi asebekufakayo manje ekudleni kungaba izinto ezidliwayo noma izinto ezimedication kuwesikakhulu nje kwemedication. O grandpa nona into nje econsumer oyifaka emlonyeni aniyeke ukuthenga ezitolo zo my friend nizofa. Labantu yabona uma lema njengoba behleli lapha emalokhuzeni emasababusini njena aba-affecteki buka ningane egcwele esibhedlela akuzona zoRamaphosa akuzona zoMalema yingane zethu angithi bona abanandaba bona aniyeke bakwethu ukuthenga ezitolo zabo ukufika please.
EFF leader Julius Malema has reportedly spoken against targeting undocumented foreign nationals, but many South Africans are asking difficult questions. If our communities are suffering and children are being hospitalized or losing their lives after consuming allegedly contaminated products or poisoned products in some Pfizer shops, why are the concerns of ordinary South Africans not being addressed with the same urgency? So many citizens feel abandoned by this. They believe immigration law should be enforced and that anyone operating a business in South Africa should do so legally and safely. So if the government leaders fail to listen to these concerns, public frustration will only continue to grow. South Africans are not asking for conflict. They are asking for accountability, safety and law that are applied equally to everyone.